This workshop is the 11th since the introduction of European workshops on periodontology in 1993. So the first 6 workshops were in Switzerland, and from then on, Mariano Sanz took over and has organized the last 6 workshops. So this is the 11th. It has a very specific topic, and that is, in the broadest sense, prevention of oral diseases, with focus on periodontitis and peri-implantitis, or the precursor of these 2 conditions, which is gingivitis for teeth and mucositis for implants. So, as usual, systematic reviews have been prepared to cover the literature as a basis for the discussion, and then the groups have identified pertinent questions that ought to be answered using the literature. Not only the systematic reviews, but also the literature on a broader sense. So in the end, the proceedings that are put together should provide to the clinician guidelines of what is relevant and what is less substantiated. So it will have some strong statements in there and some other statements that are maybe strong, but they are expressed with caution because the evidence is not here. It is not here mainly because the studies have not been done. So we are continuously dealing with the amount of evidence that supports a statement. But we hope that this preventive workshop will have a serious impact on the profession. Now, when I say the profession in this instance, it is not only the periodontists, it should also be the general dentist and the whole hygiene community, oral hygienists, dental hygienists. That is very relevant for them, what we discuss here. We have 4 working groups. The first working group is dealing with the more or less gingivitis prophylaxis, or prevention rather, and the plaque control issues. The second group is dealing with additional mechanical debridement issues and the use of antiseptics and other chemical agents. The third group addresses mucositis and peri-implantitis, and the fourth group addresses supportive periodontal care, which is the maintenance of a periodontal patient that has been successfully treated. Recent years, there was a trend to eliminate the periodontal problems by extracting the teeth rather than treating periodontitis and then placing implants. And now people have realized that implants are devices that can get biological complications just like teeth. And they're all of a sudden in front of a huge problem. As you said, the peri-implantitis is one of them, but I think what this workshop also does, it reiterates very important basic statements that were known for a while, but where we did not yet have all the evidence, and now, after several years of clinical research, such evidence is here. So it is also confirmatory in many ways. And we hope that some statements or consensus statements will have an impact on that goes, of course, through the teaching situation, through university teaching and continuing education. And I think we have identified quite a few very important issues that will be strongly implemented and they can be strongly implemented because there is a whole body of over 85 experts that had a consensus on this. So we truly think that it has an impact. And it's a matter of the dissemination of the knowledge now. I think these workshops have become very important. They have also become important for us in the field to talk to each other, to discuss things on a scientific basis. And furthermore, they were very important to give an identity to the European periodontology.